So there are times when you want to open a file because you might want to read from it, or you might want to write to it, or just append it with some new text. You don't want always to have Python read the entire file, especially if it's got thousands of lines in it. But you do want to check occasionally, is this the right file? Have I opened the right text file here? So instead of doing f.read and reading the entire contents of the entire file, you could just have it read the first line. So you would, instead of doing print f.read, you would do read line. So if I was to run this now, it only gives me the first line of my text file. But I'm still maybe not entirely sure that this is the right file. So again, we might want to just run this read line command a second time so that it will read the first two lines. Okay, it is the right file, so I'm okay. I'm good with that one now. So Python gives you the option to read the entire thing, but if you just want to do a quick check, you could maybe put the date, and the name of the file as the first line in the text file, so that when you do a quick check, you know that you're working on the right file. I mean, you could obviously just go to the file and just open it, but if you've got lots of them in a directory, this allows you to just check if it's the right file without leaving the Python environment.